Anyone who practices a scientific technique for divine realization is a yogi. He may be either married or unmarried, either a man of worldly responsibilities or one of formal religious ties. The goal of yoga science is to calm the mind, that without distortion it may hear the infallible counsel of the inner voice. Hi friends, welcome to Life Simplified and my name is Abhishek. Today I'll be reviewing a very famous book which is called Autobiography of a Yogi, and it's written by Paramhansa Yogananda. Recently I finished reading this book, and this is a journey of a boy who has a longing for spirituality, and to fulfill his longing during his childhood days, he wanted to go to Himalayas to find his abode over there. But he did not know what was going to happen. And that's how the journey of Yogananda started. So Yogananda is a Indian yogi who falls in a lineage of Mahavatar Babaji, and he happens to be the disciple of Sri Yukteswar Giri, another very famous yogi of India. So when Yogananda was a young boy, he was fascinated about God and spirituality, but he did not know where to start it and how to get started with it. It seemed like he was already an evolved soul who was trying to find his way to God and to the infinite. And eventually, when he meets his guru, Sri Yukteswar Giri, he finds his way for spirituality through Kriya Yoga. He has also explained Kriya Yoga in this book. Although it is short and brief, the full description is not there. But it was Yogananda who spread this science of Kriya Yoga all over the world, not only in India but also to the West. And it seemed that the higher powers had chosen him to spread this science to the West. And that is how the story unfolds. The most amazing thing about this book is that you will find some instances where it will seem like miracles, and there are many instances as such, and nowadays you won't even get to hear things like those. It will be rather unbelievable for someone who is reading a spiritual book for the first time. But you need to understand the yogic science to comprehend this book. If you have already read a few books regarding spirituality, then you might be able to comprehend this, and you might be able to believe all the miracles which have been explained by Yogananda in this book. And this is already the most celebrated spiritual book in India as well as abroad. So reading this book was quite thrilling for me, as well as I got to know a lot of things about meditation, about astral world, and about human body, mind and soul. If you are willing to read this book, you will have to read it thoroughly, because it is not an easy book to read. It has got a lot of difficult words, so make sure that you sit with a dictionary with yourself to read this book. And this book is also going to improve your vocabulary for sure. It is the most wonderful spiritual book I have read till now, and after Zen Yoga, this will be the second best book, I would say. Whoever wants to know about spirituality, whoever wants to get started, if you have any longing for spirituality, you can read this book, because in this book Yogananda has said that spirituality is not for chosen ones. It is for each and every human being on this earth, because human mind and body is made in such a manner that the being can comprehend the spiritual science and can evolve his senses and reach the spiritual heights. So I will rate this book 5 out of 5 as per spirituality, and I will also want every spiritual seeker to read this book to know what a yogi feels, what is the purpose of life and birth, and how a common man can be a yogi. So that was all about this book. I will not disclose everything that has been written in this book, because I want you to read this and experience it yourself. So if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe it, and for more reviews on spiritual books, stay tuned. Please like and share this video to your near and dear ones, and see you till the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.